Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale, or moved on to lot number 39, which is a Honda Little Cub 50 in red, which we've been looking for about 2.5 years now, and is the first one that we've been able to get our hand of. We've had the guts of 20 to 30 people ask us personally to look for a red Little Cub, and this is the first one that we've been able to get our hands on. It will be priced then at €1,950. It is a millennial bike with only 12,000 miles on the clock. Condition wise, she's in very nice condition. As you can see, we move on to the front. We do have some slight signs of rusting on the spokes itself, but nothing major. Again, a little mark on the front here. Again, the plastics all in very nice condition. Same with the leg covers. The headlamp assembly looks very nice also. Rear of the bike has the original side panel. The exhaust looks in immaculate condition. Center of the bike all very nice as well. Moving on to the other side now, we have one slight mark on the side panel here. Again, slight rusting on the spokes, side stand and a main stand as well. And the odometer area looks in good condition. Original two-tone seat with her as well. Some slight fading on the Little Cup sticker on the side, but again, very nice condition. We will be taking €150 deposits on these bikes to secure them before arrival in Dublin in September. Again, the bike is €1,950. It's a millennial bike, 2000, 12,176 miles. If you have liked the video, please leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of the bike, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.